Friends, in this lecture we learn how to link data between different sheets. For that you need to open 6 different sheets in a single file, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as you can see below. Now double click on sheet 1 and rename it as travel. Then second sheet and rename it as food. Then third sheet, rename it as house. Next sheet, mobile. You just have to double click on sheet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 one by one and rename it. Now rename this as electricity. And last sheet as annual expense. So we are trying to create a sheet for keeping a record of annual expenses. So let us start with first sheet, travel. Now what you do is press Ctrl key and after Ctrl click on each and every sheet one by one. Now you see all the sheets are selected one by one. Now do not click anywhere on the bottom menu bar. Do follow steps as precisely as possible as I am telling you. On the top here, write down month. Here write down expenses. Fill a color. Write down January. Drag it down till December. Write down total. Select this data and all borders. After that you go to the total, these two cells, and fill it in say yellow color. Then in our total write down equal to and then type down sum, bracket open, and then select whatever is there on the top, bracket close, and enter. So the summation is there. Now you see what actually has happened. Click on any of the sheets below. All sheets are identical. Each and every data in all the sheets are same. Now what I do is fill some arbitrary till let us say June, any expenses, monthly expenses of travel. That is the name of the sheet. That means we are filling the expenses related to traveling here. Let us say till June and select this whole and make it a currency so that a currency sign will be there. Similarly, what I suggest is select rest of the 5 sheets. Similarly, select this section and click on currency on the top here and click on currency, and now fill some arbitrary currency in the month, in let us say food here in the January, that is let us say anything amount, any amount you wish to, let us say till June only, and do it for all the sheets. Whatever amount, just arbitrary amount to show that some expenses are being made in these months and these are the expenses. And similarly do it in electricity. Now see all expenses are there in rupees. Amount is just arbitrary for the sake of understanding. Now go to annual expenses, go to January, press equal to. On the bottom click on travel and click on cell B2. After that put a plus sign. You see on the top here, travel B2 plus sign. Then go to food, go to January, B2 of this cell and plus sign. After that house, January, plus sign, mobile, January, plus sign, electricity, January. Now no plus sign. Make sure there are only 5 sheets, so we have to put only 4 plus signs and travel, food, house, phone, electricity, and press enter. Now see, in the first cell B2 of annual expense, we are having the total of all other sheets: travel, food, house, mobile, electricity. Here the annual expenses. We shall drag it down till bottom. Though there is no data in July onwards, so no data here, it is only 0. And 1330 again is, you see, the total annual expenses till June. Let us test this down. In the travel in the first month, let us write down 1 only in all the sheets so that we can test out. Write down 1, and electricity, write down 1, and see, annual expenses 5. That means all changes that you are making in other sheets are being reflected here. So what happening is, this single sheet is a total of all annual expenses of traveling only. Suppose you made some expenses in July and you enter that, let us say 23. So here on the bottom side you see the total changes 216, and in annual expenses there is, in July, see, 23 comes up as an annual expenses, and total expenses also changes. So in this method, different sheets can be, data in different sheets can be linked together. Thank you.